It was a clothing company.
It was showroom before.
Yes. And so this is the Imperial Suite, so the biggest suite we have in the hotel.
Was the published rate?
I'm sorry?
Published rate? Published.
Public rate is 20,000. Service. So welcome to the Imperial Suite. So this suite is 230 square meters. So here we have 110 square meters of living room. So Middle East clients, they like this this suite for gathering with family.
Yeah, very big.
With again very high ceiling on the second floor.
So the suite only one, right? In the hotel, only one.
We have other suites. We have 3 signature suites. This one is the biggest one. With here we have the bar for the client.
No, very spacious.
Then we have a small kitchen with fridge, oven, dishwasher, sink. We don't have stove, but it's quite equipped kitchen. This suite can also be connected with 2 rooms, so you have this room, and this is the main room.
So only one bedroom, right?
Only 1 bedroom. It can be connected with 2 other rooms. So on the left you will have the shower and hammam. This is also a hammam. That can go on both sides. Here you will have bathtub jacuzzi, and you will also have a massage table, so that the client can have their massage in the room and not go to the spa.
Bathtub and massage.
Yes. And here we are back in the room. So this is the other connecting room, and here you will have a private office as well.
So you have a lot of mirrors.
Yes. It's a bit like a maze.
So your room look like double size than you see mirror.
Yeah, it's make the room bigger, yeah.
Much more bigger.